Hi guys, how are you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you are enjoying this JavaScript series, and here in this video I am going to tell you about this switch statement in JavaScript. But before I'll start this video, I request you to kindly please subscribe this channel so that you can get all the latest update from this channel, and also you can able to watch more videos like this. Right. So here on my screen you can see that at line number 3, I have initialized a variable named as month, and it is of the var type, and the value which I have assigned as 1. Basically 1 represents for the January month, second for the February, and then so on. It will be continued till 12, which represents December. Right? Now at line number 5, I have used switch statement, right? And within brackets I have passed this variable, the month variable. Now what I am doing here is I have defined the cases, right? If in case this month has a value of 1, right? So here the case is this 1. If the value happens to be 1, so it will print January. Similarly, if the value is 2, then this will print February. So as we all know, we have 12 months in a year, right? So I have defined 12 cases, and one additional case I have defined, and that case will be the default one, right? If the user has entered, let's say suppose he has entered a value in the month, he has entered 0 value, right? Or he has entered 13, 14 or 15 and any above values, right? So we all know, since we have only 12 months, so the value and the input will invalid, right? So in that case, the in the terminal will get as enter the correct value. So we will console log this statement, enter the correct value, right? So here you can see that in the terminal I will now run this file, right? Node, I will write node and then this file name node switch.js, right? And here I have selected 1, right? I'll just enter it, and here you can see that this has entered all the months, right, from January to December, right? Let's say suppose I'll just change it to 5, right? So at 5 it is May. Now here you will see that, observe one thing, that it will now print from May, June, July, right? I will run this file again, right? And here in this case now you can see that it has started printed from May, June, July, August, September, and then November, December, right? And it has also it has also printed the enter the correct value. You know why this is happening? So we just need to introduce one keyword, that is the break keyword, right? So that wherever there happens to be any true condition, then in that case it will stop the program there itself, right? So that all the other cases will not be executed. So for that only we'll use the break keyword, right? So we'll write break after every console log statement, right? I will copy paste this in each and every case, and then after that when I run the file, then you will see only that particular month, right? Just a second, I'm just I'm copying and pasting this thing. So it is done for the 10th one, then I will put the break for the 11th one, now the last one, right? Okay, so now I will run my file again, and in this case you will notice that the value is in the month variable, the value is 5, right? This means that only May month will be printed, right, according to our program. So I'll come to my terminal, I'll again run this file, and now here you can see that I'm getting May only, right? Let's say I'll change the variable here, variable value. Now I will write 7, and then I'll save my file and now I will run my file again in the terminal. So here you can see that for the value 7 I am getting July in the terminal. So in this video we have seen the switch statement in JavaScript. I hope guys you have liked this video, and if you have any doubts so you can ask the same in the comment sections. And guys, if you have liked this video, so please hit the like button. And guys, if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, so I request you to kindly please subscribe it, so that you can get all the latest update from this channel, and also you can able to watch more videos like this. So thank you, that's all for now, and I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.